a countdown show. The next day, special start time at 4 Eastern, 1 Pacific.
Midwestern Ontario braces for severe winter storm impacts. Environment Canada warns of hazardous conditions as snow and winds whip through Bruce and Grey counties. A severe winter storm has blanketed Midwestern Ontario, particularly impacting Bruce and Grey counties, bringing along hazardous conditions marked by heavy snow squalls and fierce winds. Environment Canada has issued numerous warnings, predicting gusts reaching up to 90 kilometers per hour and extensive snowfall, with estimates ranging from 10 to 20 centimeters by the morning of January 28, 2025. According to Environment Canada, the dangerous weather conditions were expected to deteriorate significantly late on January 27, with heavy flurries contributing to dramatically reduced visibility on the roads. A representative warned conditions will deteriorate late this afternoon, significantly reduce visibility, cautioning travelers about impending perilous conditions. Law enforcement and local agencies have urged residents to stay off the roads if possible. The Huron County OPP emphasized the importance of communication for anyone venturing out during these extreme weather conditions. Huron County OPP Constable Craig Solden stated, "Let someone you know. I expect to be there in about 2 hours," reflecting the increased concerns for safety amid the storm.
Jesus, it's coming on pretty hard.
Road conditions have already seen substantial impact. As of early Monday morning, Highway 21 was closed between Kincardine and Amberley, and various local roads experienced closures due to blowing snow, creating debilitating drifts. The Bruce County advisory released just after 4 p.m. urged motorists to stay off roadways wherever possible, reiteratively marking steady deterioration of the driving conditions. Reports indicate significant challenges faced by municipal snowplows, especially along the Bruce Peninsula, where persistent drifting of snow forced the vehicles off the roads. The inclement conditions have resulted not only in dangerous travel, but also numerous traffic incidents requiring tow trucks and emergency responders to assist stranded motorists. The weather warnings extend beyond Bruce and Grey counties, encompassing Huron, Perth, Lambton, Elgin County, and even reaching London, Middlesex. State TV London meteorologist Julie Atchison commented on the situation by stating, "Strong wind gusts will continue to gust through the evening, underscoring the widespread impact across Midwestern Ontario." Authorities have also noted the potential for significant property damage, including roof shingles and windows, along with the risk of power outages due to downed lines. The snow squall warnings prompted the cancellation of many school buses across the region, with the exception of selected routes serving Teeswater and Lucknow. Even with assertions from Environment Canada hinting at the eventual weakening of the snow squalls, predictions still call for another 5 to 10 centimeters of snow and prevailing conditions likely to challenge visibility through the night. Residents have been advised to keep emergency kits stocked and avoid travel where possible. The chaotic weather has prompted officials to remind the public of winter driving safety tips as hazardous conditions persist. Recommendations include simple yet potentially life-saving measures such as informing loved ones of travel plans and carrying elements like snacks, blankets, and flashlights. Constable Solden noted things like snacks and blankets, flashlight, one with working batteries, just the necessities, if you're stuck somewhere and it's cold, highlighting the importance of preparedness during winter months. with forecasts predicting continued winds and localized squalls throughout January 28 and diminishing by the following day. Concerns are likely to linger as hazardous driving conditions will remain prevalent. Wind and weather warnings continue, and residents are urged to exercise caution and stay informed through local advisories. With snowbanks rising high along local roadways, it has been established from previous experiences within the region how easily it can become dangerous each time the winds whip up. Travel restrictions are likely to remain, and staying updated will be key for residents of Midwestern Ontario as they navigate through the period of extreme winter weather. Southern Ontarians may want to plan to leave work early on Tuesday, as a strong clipper system threatens a widespread snow and travel impacts through the evening commute time. Another snowy system will impact the afternoon and evening commute in Southern Ontario Tuesday, hot on the heels of the windy and convective front that brought power outages and road closures to start out this week.